children, how are you all? Today we are going to talk about vowels. As you already know, all vowels have got more than one sound. Look here, like for example, there are 3 sounds of A, 2 sounds of E. We are going to talk about the 2 sounds of I, 3 sounds of O, and U has got 4 sounds. Now all these vowels have got a name. The first vowels, which is the first when you say A, E, O, these are called short vowels, and there is a symbol. As you can already see, I have put them. It is like a smiley. It is like a small curve which you put above these symbols, above these vowels. Can you see this? Focus here. Like for example, here you have drawn a smiley here, a smiley here, a smiley here above O, and above All these are short vowel sounds. A, E, O. Next comes the long vowel sounds, and this vowel sounds, what symbol do we put for this? A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. Here we put a straight line. Can you see? A straight line. So when you see any vowel with a curve above it, that means you have to say the short vowel sound. If you see a vowel with a straight line, you have to say the long sound A. If you see this, now this is the third sound, and this is called the broad sound. And what symbol do we put for this? We put these 2 dots. This is the broad sound. So A has got 3 sounds: A, O. For O, we put 2 dots. E does not have, it has got a short A and E, but no broad sound. Then E and I has got 2 sounds, but no broad sound. O has got O, short, O, long, and U, the broad sound. Got it? O, U. And U has got again, this has got how many? A, U, U, A. Now you tell me, why are there 2 sounds and I have not written them? Because even the U sound which you say, U and U, both are long sounds. Okay? A is a short vowel sound. U and U, both are long sounds. U and U. Why? Because see, when you say U, जब आप U बोलते हैं तब आप कैसे बोलना है U को? आप य को हटा दो. So what is left? U. Right? So U has got 4 vowel sounds. A, U, U, A. And how do we write the broad sound? By 2 dots above this. Now all this, why have we put all these symbols here? Because when you have to, when you're reading a word, especially you can check out in the dictionary. आप dictionary खोल के भी देख सकते हो. Whenever you have to pronounce the vowels, these symbols are given. आप ये symbol देखोगे. तो अगर ये symbol दिया है तो आपको कौन सा sound निकालना है? A. अगर ये symbol दिया है तो कौन सा sound निकालना है? A. अगर ये symbol 2 dots दिए तो आपको कौन सा sound निकालना है? O. ठीक है? Now you can check out in the dictionary also. आप dictionary में भी check out कर सकते हैं कि ये सब symbols दिए गए होंगे. So first one is the short vowel sound A, E, O. The second is the long vowel sounds A, E, I, O, U, and the third O, U, and A. These are what? The broad sounds. Why are you learning this? Because this will help you when you see the dictionary and even when you are pronouncing the words. When you are doing spellings also, we will be doing this. And this will always help you. Okay? And this is a very important concept of vowels. I hope you have understood it. If you have understood it, give a thumbs up. Okay?